Nĩ riboti iheanĩtwo nĩ Minista wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie Deborah Barasa hĩndĩ ya icera rĩake rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũthuthuria wa mbegũ KEFRI mwena wa Mũgũga Kikuyu kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu. Kũringana na Barasa, to ũhandi wa mĩũngũrwa ĩndĩ rungu rwa mũbango ũcio nĩ gũkũria marakũria mĩtĩ nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra Akenya nĩ magunĩka na njĩra nene kumana na kũgacĩrithia marĩa matũrigicĩirie.
Key to us is improving the livelihoods of each and every Kenyan, leaving no Kenyan behind. So how are we utilizing the trees, even as we are growing them, to impact on the livelihoods of Kenyans? And what we'll be seeing coming in is the issue of agroforestry, the issue of growing of fruit trees, issue of growing trees for commercialization, medicinal purposes, as well as for carbon sequestration.
Mwandiki mũkaru ministry-inĩ yo Gitonga Mugambi oigĩte nĩ mahotete kũrehe hamwe ikundi itiganĩte citarĩ cia gĩthirikari nĩguo kũhĩmbĩria mũbango ũcio.
It is an exercise for all of us that we are saying if every Kenyan can plant just 30 trees per year, we are there. And we are not just planting for the sake of it, as the CS has said, we are planting it also to create wealth for this country.
So we are not only just planting, but we're looking at the site, the species, the impact on the community, the economic value, and the carbon sequestration. Because ultimately it's all about climate resilience, it's all about biodiversity and ensuring that we are restoring our ecosystem and we are protecting biodiversity.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu Mugambi nĩ atũgĩrĩtie rũhonge rwa KEFRI akiuga rũrĩ mũhari-inĩ wa mbere kũharĩrĩria mbegũ cia mĩtĩ itiganĩte iria irongoreirio kũhandwo icigo itiganĩte bũrũri-inĩ.
We are beyond 800 million trees which have been planted, and we are going on. We are targeting by the head of this year at least to be above 1 billion. So we are doing well. We are doing better than any other country in this world. We are above any other country in this world in terms of tree planting.
So we have been able to map out stakeholders, including the private sector, the community, the CSOs, the private sectors, among others, NGOs, partners who are supporting in tree planting. That way we can be able to really monitor how many trees we are planting and ensuring we are not only planting but we are growing. We are going to monitor viability, how many are surviving the first year, the 3 years, etc.
Mũbango nĩ ũrahanĩte ta ũgũtharara thutha waguo gũkuruhanio na njama ya atongoria thirikari-inĩ kũhũthĩra kungumia mbeca cia mũingĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Njaũ ya Kĩnuthia.